Today we will be discussing the life cycle of a butterfly and how long it takes for this insect to turn into a new one. We have seen caterpillars and we have seen butterflies, but did you know that they are one in the same? They are two different parts of a cycle. First, a butterfly lays eggs, typically on a leaf. These eggs contain the caterpillars and take about 4 days to hatch. The next phase in the cycle is the caterpillar larva, which are baby caterpillars. They do not do much other than eat for the first 2 weeks of their lives. They need to eat in order to grow. Caterpillars feed on leaves and sometimes parts of flowers. Each species is a different color, which can be similar to how the wings of the butterfly will look later on. Once the caterpillars are fully grown, they are ready for the next phase in their life cycle. This phase is called the pupa. Their bodies stop producing a hormone which tells them to stop eating. The caterpillar searches for a place to stay and attach itself upside down. They drop a silk patch to be able to hang onto a branch or a leaf. They will be in this spot for a while. The caterpillar will start to form a chrysalis to complete the third stage in the cycle. The chrysalis is the shedding of the caterpillar's body to form a case around themselves. Inside the chrysalis starts to form the new butterfly body. Each butterfly is different in color and pattern based on their species, just like the caterpillar. After anywhere between 5 to 21 days, the caterpillar is finished with the shedding of its shell and skin and has transformed into a butterfly. Some butterflies that live in harsh conditions will not come out of their chrysalis until it is the right temperature or conditions. They may stay inside their chrysalis for a whole year if they need to. The butterfly slowly starts to emerge, which is almost the last stage of their cycle. The butterfly knows when to come out of their shell based on the climate around them. Caterpillars and butterflies are both amazing and smart insects. They have a very interesting transformation. Once the butterfly has made its appearance, they can now reproduce and lay eggs in order for more caterpillar larvae to continue their cycle. Butterflies have a short life expectancy. They only live for 2 to 6 weeks. During this time, they spend it reproducing and laying eggs. Unlike the typical butterfly living a short amount of time, the monarch butterfly can live up to 8 months. It is a migratory butterfly, which means it moves to new places based on climate. There are over 20,000 butterfly species, but the most common species are the cabbage white and the painted ladies. They are found on 6 of the continents and are very common in the United States. Butterflies thrive in very warm, humid areas and love the sunshine. They are cold-blooded creatures and need the warmth to survive. Butterflies use their straw-like mouths to drink nectar from flowers or the juice from fruits. They are on a liquid diet. Butterflies tend to live in parts with lots of plants, flowers, and fruit to survive. Today we discussed the life cycle of a butterfly. An egg turns into a caterpillar, it creates a chrysalis, and transforms into a butterfly. We discussed some amazing facts about these insects.